Bird, Balloon, Bear. Story and pictures by Il Sung Na. It was Bird's first day in a new forest, and he was looking for a friend. It wasn't long before he spotted someone. But Bird was too shy to say hello. When he finally felt brave enough, it was too late. Bear already had a friend. "Hi," said Bear. There was no reply, but Bear didn't seem to mind. The friends spent all their time together. They played, they danced, they watched the sunset. Bird wished he could play too. Then one day, the wind carried Bear's friend away. Up, up, up. Bird flew as fast as he could, but the wind blew, the branches swayed, and pop! "Hi, I'm Bear." "Hi, I'm Bird." The friends played. They danced. And they watched the sunset together. A friendship story.